Joinchat is composed of a basic plugin that is mandatory to have activated, and 4 add-ons that activate and deactivate the different functions, such as adding more channels or support agents. All of this is managed from the Plugins tab. In order for Joinchat to appear on our website, we just need to add an active What's Up telephone number. It's that easy. Nothing else is needed. From that moment on, the floating button will appear on the web. With some small setting adjustments, we can make it much more interesting. For example, by adding a tooltip, configuring it to appear on the right or left side, or even making it possible that a QR code is displayed on the desktop. In this way, when the user accesses the website, they can read the QR code directly from their mobile phone and access the What's Up app in an easier way. In order to make the experience even more attractive, it is possible to activate the chat window. In this way, a window simulating a message will be displayed, starting a conversation with the user and inviting him to launch the What's Up app and contact us. To make these messages more attractive, the add-on CTA Extra can be activated. This will allow us to make our call to action messages more effective. For example, by adding images, animated GIFs, or videos. On the Visibility tab, we can configure and define our web zones where the floating button will be shown or not. The Advanced tab lets us configure the opt-in for the data collect according to the GDPR. It is as easy as writing our legal text, marking it as mandatory, and save. In this way, when the user accesses the Joinchat, they will be unable to contact us until the checkbox is marked. In the WooCommerce tab, we can configure customized messages for the items on sale, as well as the starting conversation message for What's Up. We can even add a fast help button in the item technical data sheet. We choose the area where we want the button to be located, for example, after the shopping button, and write the text we want for that button. In this way, when we access a specific item, here is the button. A Joinchat key aspect is that, apart from the general configuration, it allows another configuration to be much more customized. For example, if we go to an item's technical data sheet, we can see that in the right sidebar, we can modify for this specific item the telephone number, the call to action for the window chat, the beginning of the session message, and the visibility. That means that the control we can have for all of these elements is enormous. We can customize them at the level of each item, at the level of each page, at the level of each post, or even at the level of each category. In the chat window, in addition to text and images, we can add many more elements like buttons, links, iframes, or even YouTube or Vimeo videos by just pasting the link. The chat windows are essential to direct the users to the conversation pages. They will make you gain more leads if they are well configured and will increase your sales, because this is our ultimate goal. Now we are going to activate the random phone and support agents complements. These two complements joined together will allow us to create agents and departments. If we go to the General Setting tab, we can see that the telephone number doesn't appear anymore. We have to go to the Agents tab. Here is where we will be able to create new agents, define their telephone numbers, name, position, working days with multiple time slots, and other details. In an easy way, we can transform an agent into a department or headquarter. The difference is that an agent has only one telephone number. On the contrary, a department can have several telephone numbers, and the users will be directed to them randomly. When an agent is off the clock, he is marked as inactive, and the time left to be active again is shown. When the agent is active again, he is marked as active and we can already get in contact with him. If new contact channels are needed instead of agents, we can activate the Omnichannel add-on. In the Joinchat settings, a new tab called Channels will appear now. From that tab, it is possible to configure the different channels that we need. We can choose up to 14 message services, such as Telegram, Messenger, or WeChat, social networks such as Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat, or direct contact channels such as telephone, SMS, or FaceTime. In addition, we can order them in an easy way by just dragging and dropping.